Are you in need of medical attention? There are many options that you should consider. Examine your symptoms or injuries and determine which one is the winner. In most instances, self-care is the viable choice. Now, I know this may seem like a tiresome voice, but I'm not even joking. Hold back the banter. With medicines available from over the counter and taking plenty of rest at home, your body is capable of so much on its own. Why do I ruin it when the camera's on me? As human beings, we are natural healers. From the very beginning, we've been fighting bacteria. Years of evolution has led us to unravel immune systems ready to take on the battle. Like the rate of growth for the stubble on your face. Most issues go in a couple of days. I haven't got much stubble. If you have an upset stomach, or even diarrhea, or maybe just a headache, I know who can dry the tear. Instead of going to A&E, try going to your local pharmacy. With professional advice, they boast a wealth of medicines. They're highly trained to deal with a host of health conditions. They're not just at the counter to work on the till. These guys can really help you out when you're feeling ill. There's always your GP to dial, who keeps a stock of your records on file. Being the opposite of very dumb, they know you better than anyone. Let me remind you of your local minor injuries unit, where they treat you with any minor injuries. Cool, innit? Staff will ache to solve your pains from cuts and breaks to scalds and sprains. A&E is an acronym for accident and emergency and should only be considered an option when you're in a state of urgency. We want to save lives of those you hold dear. Think of your choices before coming here. If a life is at stake or there's a serious injury, that is a state for accident and emergency. So, vet spiders, dust. So, before rushing to A&E, think of your other options. You can avoid the waiting time with home remedy concoctions. Always assess your symptoms or look at the need for your injuries. And with your cooperation, we'll work much more efficiently. If you're still unsure on how to choose well, visit our site. We would think that quite swell.